Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some split peas Cookup rice with no meat, okay, along with some scallion, carrots, onion, tomato, and some garlic. I have soaked this peas for over an hour. You can soak it overnight, your choice. Right now I have some waters on the fire. I'm going to throw off this water that is here. I already washed it several times, but because it was soaking, you know, the liquid now will change color. So I'm going to throw off this water, and then I'm going to add it into some fresh water. So the water is on the fire now. I'm going to let this hot a bit, and then I'm going to add the peas and let it boil. Alright, but I'm not going to boil it too soft. I'm going to boil it just a bit, maybe like for like half an hour or so, and then we will continue the process. Stay tuned. And so, I'm also said to you that when you wash and soak it, it swells the peas. Alright, so I throw off the water now after it, and now I'm going to add it into the pot with some salt to taste and a pinch of sugar, optional, and let it boil. Alright, stay tuned. I'm going to cover it down. Sugar, salt, stir it, and then I'm going to cover this down and let it boil. So now I'm going to show you one of the peas. Alright, and then I'm going to add the rice. Hey, oops, it's hot. I'm going to add the rice. I've washed the rice. I set it aside, so I'm adding the rice now. Alright, and then I'm going to add the coconut milk. Let me show it to you. Stir this a little. So as you can see, all the liquid already boiled out of this. So I'm going to add some coconut milk into this. Alright, 1 can of coconut milk. Alright, I'm gonna add some more water, some hot water. I'm gonna add into the same can. So gonna be 1 can of coconut milk and 1 can of water, plain water. Now I'm gonna season up this rice with some pepper flakes, complete seasoning. I have some seasoning salt and garlic powder. All this is optional. Alright, and I have some cayenne pepper and a pinch of sugar. I will be listing everything in the description bar below. Some onions and scallion. Alright, now I wanted to make some nice loosey split peas Cookup. Alright, loosey split peas Cookup. I'm not going to add any tomato into this. I'm going to give this a stir. Alright, and I'm going to cover this down and let it steam. Alright, if it wants any more liquid, I will add a little bit more, but this is it. So stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna cover this down and let it steam. Okay, I'm gonna take some butter and I'm gonna add it to this pot and let it melt into the right away around. Okay, as you can see, the rice well, it's not completely finished as yet. I still have some more liquid into this. So I'm gonna cover this down again and let it steam. Okay, continue steaming. I'm sorry. So butter melt. Try it. So this is it.
Don't forget to subscribe,
I'm gonna
like this
plate this
video,
off
and
and let
give
you
this
see.
video a thumbs
Stay
up.
tuned.
For more information as to how we make this chicken wings, you could check out the other video that already uploaded. Fried chicken wing with sticky sauce.